Sawadee Krap! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tuturuan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and let's make some mocktails guys. Guys, maraming salamat po sa nag-like at mga nag-comment and nag-share po ng mga past videos ko. At sana guys, supportahan niyo po ako sa mga susunod na mga videos and let's make some mocktails guys. And for today guys, I'm going to show you how to make virgin mojito guys. Yun guys, ang basong gagamitin natin is highball or any tall glass. Pwede na yun guys. So first ingredient is lime. 1 whole lime. Cut natin siya into small pieces. So next guys is mint leaves. Ang lalagay natin is around 8 to 10 pieces guys. Add natin yung mint leaves and lime guys. And after muddling guys, sugar, white sugar guys. 1 teaspoon.
The matrix is
Natin ng konting soda water.
even now. You can see it when you look out your window.
And dissolve natin guys yung sugar. Guys, and pag na-dissolve yun yung sugar guys, pwede nyo nalagyan ng ice. And punuin na natin ng soda water. And have a quick stir guys. Put some straw. And for garnish, is lagyan natin ng mint leaves. And lime leaves guys. There you go guys, virgin mojito. Tikman natin guys. Mamma mia. So yun na nga guys. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please click the like and subscribe button and see you on the next video guys. Cheers!